Yo, what's up YouTube? Back at it again with another video today. So today I am in Frankfort, New York, and we are doing some drag races today. It's gonna be my first time ever racing. I'm gonna do the improved stock class, even though I'm running stock. And then I'm also gonna do stock for my 850. So it's gonna improve stock unstudded. So hopefully I can still hook up and do good against them. I actually had a problem with my sled, so my dealer got it all fixed up. I think my RPM problem is all taken care of, so hopefully I get max RPMs today. It's gonna be a great day. Dude, it is nuts. It's already packed up here. We got improved sleds everywhere. It's super loud, gnarly. I've actually never been to an event other than grass drag, so I'm stoked. If you guys are stoked to see some content, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, comment, let me know how I'm doing, and we're gonna race this bad boy today. Look at that, pipes coming right out the side. It's nuts. They got freaking nuts. That's nuts. These are legit. These are legit sleds. Performance parts like crazy. Some of the sleds are ridiculously loud. All piped and clutched and freaking. Look at the pipes just coming out of it. Straight piped. That is nuts. There's sleds everywhere, guys. It's gonna be a fun day. Hopefully I can get some good footage. I'm gonna have my girlfriend running my other camera. Hopefully she can get some good shots, maybe see me win, maybe probably can see me lose, more or less. So track looks good. They got the groomer on it. So I think we're gonna have a good day though. They even got little 120s. So we got D&D out here, performance. Freaking the sleds are insane. I've never seen such crazy sleds. It's nuts. Yo guys, check this sled out. Freaking gnarly. The thing is mint, amazing. I've seen it run once, hoping they run again so I can get a better shot. And the thing is ridiculous. I bet you this dude was doing like 120. At least 120 when he blew by. Nuts! Holy shit, that's so loud.
You know,
that one didn't even lift off the ground, but it won. Damn. What, did you break something? You must have broke something. up the whole time, still lost. This isn't the Pro Mods anymore, I don't think.
No, it switched classes.
What?
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 What do you say?
What do you mean? I won that one. I won that one.
Yeah.
Well, no, that was the event. I mean, I won against both of them.
You won the event?
In that class, yeah.
So you're done?
I'm done. But I gotta wait. I don't know, they have to bring, so like later, you have to bring your sled over to them so they can inspect it or whatever.
Yeah.
Did you get the shots
She got
of me winning?
You can go eat?
Yeah,
Well,
you should be.